Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. As you can see, about 3 years ago, I updated my graphics card. So this video is from 3 years ago, and the two graphics card that I had, so I upgraded from a Radeon 6950 to a GTX 750. Okay, and you can see here that I tested my frame rate, and if you watch these videos, you'll see that the frame rate actually dropped. So I went from a higher number of frames per second to a lower frame number. So what that means is this graphics card, Radeon 6950, was actually better than the one that I upgraded to, and I felt a little bit embarrassed afterwards, but still a lot of people watch the videos, so why not? So now I'm going to update my graphics card again because it's been 3 years, and this time I want to make sure that I want to upgrade it to a better graphics card. So the website that I want to show you guys to make sure that you can get a better graphics card is this. So this website here is called userbenchmark.com, and you can see that if I go into GPU, and then you can simply search for your graphics card. So I'm gonna go to GTX 750, which is my current graphics card, and it's just a GTX 750 Ti, I believe. So you can see that it gives you some benchmarks, it gives you a ranking. So it's 145th out of 621 graphics cards. So it's actually pretty bad. So let's try and compare that with a better graphics card. So let's compare an alternative. Now, if you guys remember the video that I made, so the video that I made was actually Radeon 6950. So let's remember that. 6950. And you can simply compare the two, and you can see that it is correct that the 6950 was actually slightly better than the GTX 750 Ti. So it tells you that the effective speed is plus 9%. Okay, so it is actually better than the one that I upgraded to. But the thing is, this one required a lot more power, so technically I was saving quite a bit of power for not much difference in speed anyway. But let's now use this website to compare a graphics card that I want to upgrade to. So I'm gonna now go to Umart, which is where I'm gonna buy my new graphics card, and I'm simply gonna go into categories, graphics cards, and then I'm simply going to search for a card between, let's say, $150 to $250, because that is pretty much what I spent on the GTX 750 about 3 years ago. So let's filter that. Okay, so here's the filter, and there are only 3 graphics cards within this range. Okay, there's the 1050 Ti, 1650, and the RX 570. So I'm simply going to compare these cards. So let's go GTX 1050 Ti versus GTX 1650. And then this one is GTX 1050 Ti. And you can see the 1650 is a lot quicker, even though the two cards are about the same price. 1050 Ti is a lot older, okay, because it was released in 2016. So GTX 1650 is a lot faster, 35% faster. So that's pretty cool. And the ranking is 73rd out of 621 graphics cards. And this one is 95th. So it's much faster. So now we will compare it with the RX 570. So let's now compare that. RX 570. And it's this one here. And you can see the RX 570 is even faster than the GTX 1650. Okay, so it's 19% faster effective speed. So it seems like much better texture detail, everything is better, which is why I'm going to buy this card. Okay, another reason is because you can see that this one only has 4 gigabytes of RAM. So where does it say that? 4. Where is the number 4? Four gigabyte. That's the only place that says it. Alright, 4 gigabytes. And let's have a look at the RX 570, and it's got 8 gigabytes of memory. So it's probably going to be a lot faster, and the price difference is only $10. So I might as well spend the $10 and get a much faster card. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I will buy this card and we will install it and we will test the game. Actually, we will test a few games and see what the frame rate is with the GTX 750 Ti. And then we'll see what it is after the upgrade. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.